Shake it, baby!
Where's my drink?
It's right here, ma'am.
I'm gonna enjoy this. Hi.
Hey. That's my drink.
Let go.
It's mine.
Take your hand off of it!
Give me my drink! Ooh, my hair! Phew, it's okay. That was close. Oh no! A flying olive! No! Look what you've done!
It was his fault!
It was her drink. My beautiful hair. That's it!
It's time for a drinks challenge! What do we do?
Run away!
Not so fast! Gotcha!
That's not good. Ah!
Get back here! There's no escape. I guess we're doing this. Ah! These drinks are gonna be volcanic, but one will be refreshing. Out of my way! Is this tomato juice? It's a simple but classic drink. I have a tin of tomato paste. I'll open it up and put it in a blender. Next, I need celery. I'll chop it up into chunks. These can go into the blender. Next, I need water. I'll add that to the tomato paste. That should be enough. I'll put the lid on and then give it a whiz. I'll blend it until smooth. That's perfect! Now I can pour it into a glass. It looks delicious. Then I'll add a straw. And a celery stalk. It's ready to serve. I hope they like it. This is good!
Wait. Does that mean I've got the spicy one?
Woohoo! What a relief!
I don't want to do this. Here goes.
I'm gonna need some protection for this one. Safety first. You can't be too careful. Things are gonna get hot. Really hot. I'll start with a chili. Let's add some more. Then I'll add some spicy snacks. And a lot of hot sauce. Ooh, this is gonna burn. Now I'll pour in soda. That's enough. Let's blend it. Wow, it even looks hot. Time to fill the glasses. I don't want to spill any. I feel sorry for anyone who's drinking this. I can't forget the straws. Wait. Is it getting hot in here? Oh! Water! Water! Or a fire extinguisher! Help me! Ah! Oh, that's better. What have I created?
Nothing so far. Hold on. I'm getting something! Ah! It's so spicy! Why would you make this? Are you crazy? Phew. I needed that.
Are you okay? These drinks are inspired by the mountains.
I'm not sure what that means, but I'll give it a go. I'll go for this one. Tangy.
I've just been grocery shopping. I need fresh ingredients for this drink. A nice crunchy apple, a juicy orange, and some zingy citrus fruits. I'll start by cutting them into slices. They smell so good. There's nothing like fresh fruit. It's so colorful. I wish I could eat it all. But I can't. I've got the blender. And they're all going in. I need juice, too. Let's start with apple juice. And some lovely fresh orange juice. I need a splash of cranberry juice. Perfect. It's time to get tropical with pineapple juice. That's everything. Now I can blend it. This is gonna taste amazing. It's got everything I like. We don't want any chunks. Ta-da! Now I can add the finishing touches. I need a straw and a slice of lime. I can't wait to try it. Wait. It's for the challenge. No, I can't.
I love this. It's so good. Whoa! It's got so much flavor.
Okay, stop rubbing it in. I get it, you win. Do I have to do this? I know this'll be bad. Here, fishy fishy. This is so relaxing.
Oh, I've got a bite! And it's a big one! Ugh!
There's a reason I hate fishing. Stupid fish. I'm just glad there was a grocery store on the way home. Let's get this over with. I'm gonna need this. It stinks. In go the fish! It needs some soda. The things I have to do. Ugh, that is so gross. I think that's it. Let's serve it. I feel sorry for whoever's drinking this. I'm just glad it's not me. I think I need a new job. This is the worst. It's disgusting! Oh, what have I done to deserve this? It's horrible!
Ooh, cool moves! Check this out!
What are you doing?
I'm dancing?
Is that what you call it? It's time to lay back and work on your tan. We're going to the beach.
I could use a vacation.
It's my turn. So far so good. This is the life. Does it get any better than this? It's paradise. Just imagine those waves crashing against the shore, the sand under your feet, and a tasty drink in your hand. I was hoping it'd be a lot more glamorous than this. I better get to work. First, I need a coconut. Oh, I know. I'll cut it in half. That is one tough coconut. Let's try something a little more industrial. Take that! Let's try this again. This should do the trick. Are you kidding me? I've supersized my saw. I'll open that coconut in no time. Oh, come on. This is like a workout. I thought this would be easy. It's taking too long. Huh. Would you look at that? I did it! That smells so good. I'll pour the juice into the blender. Now I need to get the coconut flesh. Wow! That actually worked! I've no idea how I did that. Next I'll add ice cubes. This'll chill it. I'm ready to go. This'll be great. It'll be like summer in a glass. Let's see what it's like. It looks great! I can't forget the mini umbrella. Wow. I amaze myself sometimes. It's so yummy! It's my favorite so far. I could drink that all day! You're so lucky. I'm regretting this already. Okay, let's do this. I'll try this one. Wow, that's bad! I've got all my ingredients right here. Is this right? Who came up with this recipe? Whatever, I'm not drinking it. It needs a little salt because it's not disgusting enough. I'll add more. I'll put it all in. It'll taste like the sea. Everyone loves the sea. Let's whiz it up. This is my favorite part. Look at it go! What an interesting color. I'm glad I don't serve this in my bar. I'd never make any money. These straws are so cute. Not that it'll do anything for the taste. Nothing can improve that. It's horrible! Oh, I can't drink this! Look out! Oh no, you don't! Why would you do that? I couldn't hold it in. Sorry. But at least you had an umbrella. I always come prepared. Grab your winter jackets and your skis. We're going to the Alps. What is that smell? It stinks! I suppose I better pick one. Please be good. Ooh, that's nice. It's so cold. I need to warm up. Oh, this'll do. It's so nice and cozy. I feel so snug. What drink should I make? I know. This'll be perfect for the cold weather. First, I need maple syrup. A bowl of marshmallows and a jug of milk. And finally, cocoa powder. I'll put the cocoa into the blender. Next, I'll add a drizzle of maple syrup. Then I'll top it up with milk. I better put the lid on. This could get messy. Let's mix it up. Look at all that chocolatey goodness. I'll use a jar instead of a glass. It looks better. Now I need to heat it up. I hope this works. Wow! I have no idea how I did that. I'll finish with some marshmallows. My mouth is watering. This'll help heat up those cold winter days. Oh my gosh, it smells great.
I love this. Hot cocoa is the best.
Ha! You get the stinky drink. Thanks for reminding me.
On you go.
Ugh, what is this? Well, first you need an onion. And a bulb of garlic. I'll chop off the ends of the onion. Then peel it. Ugh, that smells bad. That can go in the blender. Meh, I'm not even peeling the garlic. Wow, what is that? It smells so good. I'm getting closer. It's over there. Aha! Found it. Wild chocolate spread. It's so rare. I can't believe I found this. It doesn't get any fresher than this. I'll put this into the blender, too. It's so gooey. I love chocolate spread. I could eat the whole jar. I deserve a little treat. Then I'll add water to loosen it. And now I'll turn on the blender. Okay, I'm not gonna say what that looks like. I'll leave that to your imagination. Wow, that stings the nostrils. Time to fill the jars. I feel sorry for whoever drinks this. It would put you off chocolate forever. Now where are the straws? Sorry. I should be more professional. And they're ready. I can't get over how bad they smell. This is so gross! My breath stinks!
Whoa, you're not kidding.
Miles? Is it really that bad?
Yep, it is.
I thought we'd be doing something. I know, what's taking so long? And on that farm were yucky drinks. I've got all my ingredients here. Let's start with the eggs. I'll crack them open and drop the egg into the blender. Oops, I got a little shell in there. It'll add some crunch. Next, I'll add cloves and a lot of water. Let's fire up the blender. You know, it doesn't look so bad. But it'll taste disgusting. It smells bad. Oh, this looks good. What do I need? Eggs. Got 'em. Sugar. That's easy. Cinnamon. Gotcha. Vanilla. I'm on it. Milk. Way ahead of ya. It's time to make eggnog. I'll crack the eggs into a bowl. Oops. I didn't mean that. Oh, not again. I'll just pick the shells out. Now I'll add sugar. Uh-oh. I dropped it. I'm so clumsy. It's fine. No one noticed. In goes the vanilla and the milk. I love the smell of cinnamon. Achoo! This isn't going well. I'll whisk it this time. Maybe not. I need to make a call. Hello? I need your help. Thanks. Wow, that was quick. It looks perfect. Shh. It's our little secret, okay? I whipped up something extra special. All inspired by farm life.
Who's going first? Me? Okay. I'll pick this one. I think this was a bad choice. Ugh, this is disgusting! Wait, what is that? There's something in my mouth. An eggshell? How did that get in there? You know what? I don't want to know. Ugh, I can still taste it. It's your turn.
Great. Which one should I choose? This is too hard. Okay, here goes. I'm so nervous. Wait, this is nice. It's amazing! I'm so happy right now. Phew. I couldn't do another horrible drink. That looked like thirsty work. Think you could take on our drinks challenge? What drink would you like to try and what one would you avoid? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.